Gordo Scientific is a glass manufacturing facility specializing in both lathe and hand-blown techniques to create products for the ever-growing cannabis culture. Located in Pine, Colorado, only 45 minutes southwest of Denver, among the lofty pines and pristine waterways of the Rocky Mountains, you will find the Gordo Scientific headquarters. This well-established business is expanding into their 6th year of operation with the latest addition of a new office and additional workspaces. Gordo Scientific can now accommodate more e-commerce needs as well as studio rentals, lessons, events, and more. Check us out online at gordosci.com or at the headquarters next time you visit the Colorado Rocky Mountains.